I have
All right.
the transcript.
Okay, go ahead. We will. Are you ready to start now?
Okay, yeah, I get now, right?
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just open because it's my open. My computer just opened. Just give me 1 minute. Hey. How
Okay.
is coronavirus in your place?
Wow, coronavirus is very popular,
It's a
right?
big
Right now,
issue. Is it
the
big
big
issue
issue.
in Vietnam?
Uh, no, it's not big. Yeah, actually, it's also a big issue in Vietnam as well. But uh, there are more than 16 people, Vietnamese
Infected
people,
with
infected.
coronavirus. Ah, so where are these people coming from? They traveled to China?
Some of them travel to China. Some of them live near Chinese area, and some of them affected by Chinese tourists.
Oh, very sad. Well, yeah, yesterday Philippines has one first case died of corona, but
Oh, very
it's not a
sad.
Filipino, it's a Chinese tourist who died.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
In Vietnam, we didn't have any case, and don't have any people die because of coronavirus.
Mm-mm-mm.
Just yeah.
Okay, anyway, you all be safe. You all take good care. Yeah. You can start reading the article. Actually, I have opened it already.
Okay, I start with it now. Cambridge and girls.
Cambridge.
Cambridge,
Cambridge.
Cambridge,
Mm-hmm.
Cambridge. And girls started
Angels.
back
Angels.
angels.
Mm-hmm.
Cambridge angels started back in about 2001. Those of you with long memories will remember this wasn't exactly the best time to start because shortly after that everything collapsed. But there was a small group of people in Cambridge who had all made a reasonable amount of money by starting and selling companies. And that was enough to start a small group together. Probably
Small
only a
group together.
small group together.
Okay.
Probably only about 12
Probably. We
probably,
say, yeah, we say probably.
per, per, probably, probably only about
Probably. Probably.
probably
Yeah.
only about 12 or 15 in the first meeting, who then managed to get people coming to them with lots of ideas. And gradually, over the next 3 or 4 years, Cambridge and Chelsea became quite an interesting and important organization. We have
Organization. We say.
our organization,
Organization.
organization,
Organization.
organization,
Very good.
or, organization. You mean that?
Okay. Yeah.
We
Correct.
have we have grown from those initial dozen or
Initial doesn't. We say
initial
initial. Yeah.
initial dozen initial dozen or so people to about 45. We invest something between 2 and 3 million pounds per year, and at the moment we have two very large deals going on, which together amount to nearly 2 million pounds of investment.
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 All right. Now I'll be forwarding to you words that you have mispronounced. Right? and I would practice this with you. Okay, let's start the word with Cambridge.
Cambridge,
Angels,
angels,
probably,
probably,
and organization,
organization,
initial dozen,
initial dozen,
mhm, mm, investment.
investment,
Okay, so now I would
in
like you to start from the beginning by yourself. Start from Cambridge.
Cambridge,
Mhm.
angels,
Angels.
and angels,
Yeah,
angels,
say angels.
angel,
Okay,
angel,
all right.
angel,
Okay.
probably,
Mm-hmm.
organization,
Mm-hmm. Very good.
initial,
Initial dozen
initial dozen, dozen,
and investment.
investment.
All right. So let us go to the comprehension question. I'd like you to please read question number one.
How did the pioneers of Cambridge angels acquire their capital?
Mm-hmm.
A. By working part-time jobs, by selling companies, C. By saving their allowances, by selling used furniture. Letter B, the answer. By selling companies.
Okay, by selling companies. That's correct. Number two.
What is Cambridge Angels?
What is
I.
Cambridge Angels?
Cambridge Angels.
Angels.
Uh, Angels.
Mm,
And Angels.
mm,
Angela, Angel.
mm.
A, a cheerleading group. B, a pillow company. C, a technical firm. D, group of investors. Mm, what is Cambridge Angel? Cambridge Angel now become an important organization. Uh, investor, right? Letter D, the answer.
A group of investors? Yes, it
Yeah.
is. They are a group of investors. That's correct. Number three, the last question.
How did Cambridge Angels start out?
Yeah, how did Cambridge Angels start out?
Start.
Whenever we read a question, we should change the tone of our voice, okay? We say, how did Cambridge Angels start out? Meaning you're asking a question, right?
Okay. How did Cambridge Angels start out?
Okay.
A, as an accident, as an a happy, as a small group, as a joke. Letter C, the answer, as a small group.
Yeah, it started as a small group. That is correct. Yeah, so Cambridge Angels started as a small group.
Yep.
Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to forward to you were featured words of the transcript. I'd like you to start reading the first word. We say gradually.
Gradually,
Next is angel.
angels,
Angel.
angels,
Shortly.
shortly,
Manage.
manage,
Exactly.
exactly,
All right. I would like you to use the word manage in a sentence first.
uh, manage.
Yes.
Uh, I manage my team uh, to achieve targets in this month.
I manage my team to achieve
Target, target,
target. Yeah.
yeah, target. in this
Target
month.
in this month.
Yes.
Okay. So is that the sentence that you're trying to say?
Yes.
I manage my team to achieve target in this month.
Yes.
Okay.
You correct.
The sentence is we need to change instead of saying this, we can say I manage my team to achieve the target this
To
month.
achieve target. Yeah. The
Yeah, the
target.
target this month. Okay?
Yeah. The target.
I'm going to forward this to you. This is the right way to say it. Okay? Go to the next word. Exactly. Use the word exactly in a sentence.
Uh, exactly what I told you. Corona is a big issue in Vietnam.
Exactly what I told you.
What I told you. Told. Tell. Told. Told. Told.
Told you. Yeah, exactly what I told you.
Yep.
What is the next word? Corona
Corona virus is a big issue in Vietnam.
is a big
Yeah, a big issue.
issue in Vietnam.
Yes.
Exactly what I told you. Coronavirus is
Is is
coronavirus is a big issue in Vietnam. Okay? So you can say exactly what I told you. Okay, in Vietnam. That's correct. Okay? Moving on to the next sentence, I'd like you to use gradually. Gradually.
gradually. Okay. Uh, my budget in this month gradually
My
gets
my birth,
budget.
my
My
budget.
money, my budget in this month
Mm,
gradually gets lower.
my budget in this month gets gradually
Gradually slower.
gets gets lower. Is that correct?
That's correct.
My budget in this month, okay, gradually gets lower. Okay, there's a best way to say this, but we can say my budget this month gradually gets lower. No need to put in this month.
My
Okay?
budget this month. Okay.
Okay. So I would like you to use the last word, angel.
Angel.
Mm-mm. Or
Angel.
would you like to use the word shortly?
It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, the Angel,
Mm.
and investor Angel. No, okay, okay. Angel investor will respond our request
We can say Cambridge, angel.
again.
Cambridge, angel. That's the code.
Cambridge,
Yeah.
Cambridge,
What
Angel.
word would you like to use, Tong? Is it the shortly or you use the word angel?
Both. I can use both.
Okay, give it a try.
Yeah, so that's good. Cambridge Angels will answer your request shortly.
Cambridge angel will answer your
Your request, your question in shortly.
your
Shortly.
request or question.
Yeah, shortly.
Question
Yeah, questions
with S.
with S.
Okay, Cambridge, Angel will answer your questions shortly. Very good. I would like you to go to discussion question. Right?
Okay. Right.
Okay. Please go to question number one for discussion question. I would like you to use.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of investing money?
Hmm? Again, say that again.
This the question, right? Now let question one.
Question number one for discussion question. Exactly.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of investing money?
Yes.
And the advantages of investing money could be generating profit. When you invest in profitable project, and then you can earn money. Otherwise, if you invest in
Mm.
some projects which can be risk, and then you will lose money.
Mm-hmm. Mm. So you think so? That is what's that? That is the case.
Yeah, that's one. That's one case.
Okay. What is the other one? What is the opposite to that?
Opposite to that, I mean, disadvantages of investing money uh, could be losing money, right? Could be
Yeah.
money.
Yeah. Investing in money, it could be. It's a risk actually. Yeah. It's either you gain or you lose the whole amount.
Yeah, either you gain or either you lose
Mm-mm.
the amount. Yeah.
Mm. Yes. It's true. It's either two things only. You gain or you lose. Yeah. That's why it's a risk, right?
Uh,
Yeah. So, what are the challenges of starting a business, in your own opinion? What are the challenges of starting a business?
I think there are a lot of challenges of doing business, starting business. First of all, capital, which means you invest money in your business. You invest in buying some office equipment or pay for employees, pay for rent. That is challenges if you cannot gain money more than you
Invest.
spend. Yeah, invest. Yeah.
And you probably, that's for sure, you're losing. Yeah, that's already a sure. That's a
And
sure ball.
another
Hmm.
another problem could be uh, stress because of
It causes you
noise.
stress.
It
Yeah.
can cause you stress because too much work to do
Mm.
by yourself. Yeah.
Mm.
So that's why you cannot handle everything.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Where are
Yeah.
you? Where are you now?
It's Kajen.
Ah, okay. So I can see someone is talking. So I said, "Where are you now?" Anyway, and the last question it says, "What do you think is the best way to make money in this millennial time? In this time, what do you think is the best way to gain money? Business, of course.
Of course, always business, but
Do you
depends
believe in
on
real estate investment?"
wow. It is also good good
Mm-hmm.
good how I say
Mm-hmm.
good channel to invest.
Mm-hmm.
If someone who have money and then they have experience in buying the house or buying an apartment and then they sell it again or they pay for renting. Yeah, there if you have a property, which means you can use your property to use to have a multiple use, right?
Okay. But nowadays people are so much into investing into stocks, which is very difficult if you don't have that much money, because in chances that you will lose your stocks, it will not progress or it will go down. Stock market is not that good, so you end up bankrupt.
Well, it depends, because stock also kind of a long-term invest, and property also long-term invest, but then require you to have much more money than stock.
Mm-hmm.
From investor perspective, from investor perspective, if you have money, more money, I mean, and you know the knowledge of investing in property, and then you can invest in property. Otherwise, if you have less money, and then you can
Do
invest
not,
in stock.
yeah, yeah. Do not. It's risky. Anyway, our time is up. And first, I would like to thank you for having me. Yeah, let's continue to do more video lesson business. I can see that you like business topics, so that's quite interesting. That's also very good. So, sentence construction is still our issue. So, hopefully, we will do this. No worry, you'll get used to this one. Okay?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, okay, Thong. Bye bye. Have a great day and be safe. Why you're not having a mask?
Why?
Mask. Okay, bye bye. See you
Thank
next
you.
time.